this was my father's car.
Fire took almost everything.
But the soul is still here. Memories that can't be replaced.
I promise, I'll restore it. Hey.
Right in, Pierce.
We're taking it home.
She trusted me with it.
Now it's my responsibility.
This is where the work begins.
Years of neglect. All at once.
Worse than I imagined.
But not impossible.
Years of sitting. Step 1, cleaning. We start gentle. Every layer tells a story.
No shortcuts.
Every detail matters.
You can't fix what you can't see.
This is the real starting point.
Every layer tells the truth.
Fire leaves nothing untouched.
Now we take it apart carefully. This will all be replaced. Now we fight the rust.
Slow and precise.
This is structural.
Only solid metal stays.
Strength comes back. Fresh life. Safety first. The foundation is ready.
Perfect or nothing.
Every flaw shows at this stage.
Preparation is everything. Time for color.
Let it cure.
You can see it coming alive. This seals everything.
Patents.
This color fits its soul.
Worth the wait. Paint is done, now we refine it.
Slow and even.
No rush.
Details matter. Finishing touches.
Now it's ready to come together.
Paint looks good, but good isn't enough.
Fitment matters.
No forcing. That sound. Perfect.
Inside matters too.
Almost there.
Think of it.
Back on the ground. It's whole again.
Before the moment, we check everything.
Fluids first.
No mistake here. No mistakes here. Hi. Yeah. And perfect. Kick.
This is the moment. I think.
She's alive. From ashes to this.
He would be proud.
This was his. And now, it lives on.